Mushemanio wa President Uhuru Kenyatta na President wa Amerika Joe Biden mucini wa Washington waigite President gumo-ini ya mwanya gukorwo ari mutongoria wa mbere gitaro-ini kia Africa kugena giikaro na Biden kuma thurwo ta President.
Welcome, Mr. President, and I'm delighted to have you here. And today we're going to discuss what more Kenya and the United States can do together on the Horn of Africa to advance peace and security. And we're also going to talk about strengthening the financial transparency and accelerating economic growth. You've spoken to that, Mr. President. I want to talk to you about that. And the fight against climate change.
Biden anarĩrĩria atĩ thirikari yake nĩ kũheana njanjo milioni 17 cia JNJ kũrĩ ũmwe wa mabũrũri ma Afrika kũhũrana na COVID-19. Uhuru akiuga gĩtarũ gĩkĩ nĩ gĩkoretwo gĩkĩginyana gũkinyĩra njanjo ici iria itakoretwo na ũhũthũ kuonekana.
The United States has donated 2.8 million doses of vaccine to Kenya as part of a 50 million doses we've donated to the African Union. And I'm proud to announce that today that we're making an additional historic one-time donation of 17 more million doses of J&J vaccine to the AU, and we're going to be sending some more by the end of the year to Kenya.
We're also very closely partnering, especially in regard to the fight against terrorism globally. The United States has been a very strong partner to Kenya in that particular fight, and this is an area, again, I am hoping to have an opportunity to further discuss with the President.
Atongoria aya eri maciririe bata wa ũrũmwe, njĩra cia gũkĩria ũtonga, kwagĩrithia rĩera na ũgitĩri wa mabũrũri, makĩria harĩ kũng'ethanĩra na itoi, bũrũri wa Amerika ũkinyĩte itemi harĩ gũteithĩrĩria Kenya mbara-inĩ ĩno.
And now you are, Kenya is currently the president of the UN Security Council. Thanks for letting us stay in. But all kidding aside, thank you.
We are also keenly and very grateful with his strong position, especially with regard to climate change. This is an area where Kenya has made tremendous progress in her own right and where we are firmly committed.
Biden oho nĩ atũtarithĩtie bata wa atongoria kwaga kũhithanĩra ũhũthĩri-inĩ wa mbeca. Mĩario ĩno ĩkĩyumĩria thutha wa kumbũka kwa mũtugo wa atongoria na andũ marĩ igweta kũigithia mbeca ciao akaunti-inĩ cia mabũrũri mangĩ. Mũcemanio ũyũ ũkinyanĩire thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta kũrũgamĩrĩra mũcemanio wake wa mbere wa kanjũ ya ũrũmwe wa mabũrũri wĩgiĩ ũgitĩri ciikaro-inĩ nene cia New York.
It's wonderful to see you again. It's wonderful to be back here, and I look forward to fruitful deliberations as we move forward.
Girifotera Inoro TV. Jitagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.